like to introduce to you the Huaqin 50 kW gas genset yuchai 4-cylinder engine using thin combustion effectively reduce the NOx emissions. Adopt couple brushless generator, no maintenance, stable power output, and long service life. The air is filtered by the valve, and the gas is regulated by the valve arrest and the pressure regulating valve. At the same time, it enters the professional marketing for arrest master. If you want to know more about generator units, welcome to pay attention to Huaqin Power.